With wireless charging getting more prominent in smartphones, a ton of wireless charging pads are available on the market right now. Today we'll be taking a look at the iOttie iON wireless stand and also the iON wireless mini. Stick around. Now, as I mentioned before, there are a ton of wireless charging pads out there, but what drew me to the iOttie was the design. Unlike other manufacturers that make use of a lot of plastic and a puck design, iOttie goes with something a little bit different, giving you a product with a more premium feel. The product line comes in 3 colors, ash, ivory, and ruby. Today we'll be taking a look at the ruby variant of the wireless mini. Perhaps the best thing about these wireless charging pads is that they come with an AC adapter that will give you fast charging on your compatible Apple or Android device. Now, as far as numbers go, you're looking at 7.5 watts for an iPhone, 10 watts for an Android phone. Now, your phone will have to be compatible with Qi wireless charging. There are a variety of options listed here, but you'll have to check with your product to see if it is compatible. As far as packaging goes, you can see it's quite simple. You open up the flap and it reveals the actual product. There is a little window here that allows you to touch the cloth texture on the pad. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's included inside the box. So you'll get the wireless mini, and as you can see here, it is quite small. Has a USB Type-C port in the back, and on the front there is a single LED. And some branding. On the top there is the cloth portion and a rubberized ring that will hold your phone or device in place. And on the bottom there are also some rubber stoppers that will keep the charging pad in place as well. Overall, it's a nice look, very simple, and even the ruby color looks unexpectedly good. You'll also get a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and as you can see it is color matched, which is a nice touch. And finally, you'll get a fast charging adapter, which will allow you to fast charge your iPhone or compatible Android device. Next up is the iON wireless stand, and as you can see, it is in the same ruby color and has a different design than the wireless mini, as it is an upright unit. So what that'll allow you to do is place your phone on this charging stand, and it'll give you a better look at the display when it is charging. Now, this charging stand does offer 2 different coils, so you'll be able to either charge the phone in portrait or landscape, which is convenient. And it also has a charging range that will allow you to charge through thicker cases. Similar to the wireless mini, it will include a fast charging adapter, which will again allow you to charge up to 7.5 watts on your iPhone and 10 watts on your Android device. Once you open the flap, the product is revealed. There's also a nice little window that allows you to touch the cloth material. Now let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at the internals. The iON wireless stand is a little bit larger than the wireless mini, but does have a very similar design. Mainly the charging pad is orientated upright and it is a little bit taller. It has a cloth material. It does not have a rubberized ring to hold the phone in place, but does have a small edge with the rubberized material. On the rear there is a single USB port, and overall this stand is quite compact and looks aesthetically pleasing. As you probably expect, the unit does come with a set of color matched cables, USB-C to USB Type-A, and also includes a fast charging adapter, which will give you wireless fast charging for a compatible device. Just in case you're curious to have a look at the wireless mini and the wireless stand, these are what the two look like together. As you can see, the sizing is quite similar, but the wireless mini is, of course, mini, and the stand is a little bit larger because of the dual coil system. The ruby color creates quite a contrast and looks quite good on a dark desk. As mentioned before, iOttie does include a fast charging adapter, which means you will get wireless fast charging. The Galaxy S10 and other handsets are capable of wireless fast charging, so definitely want to check to see if your unit is compatible. So this has been a quick hands-on with the iOttie wireless mini and wireless stand. Now the iON wireless mini retails for $49.95, while the iON wireless stand is $44.95. Now these aren't the cheapest options out there, but if you're looking for a premium option, these could be for you. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below or ping me on Twitter. Otherwise, you can hit the description for the full article on iON. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.